Howdy, it's Van McCoy, Master Mixologist at Mayberry Spirits Distillery. And today we're going to make our Thyme simple syrup. This is a wonderful, very herbal simple syrup that you can use not only in mixed drinks, but as a topping for all kinds of interesting products and flavors. So, Thyme simple syrup. We're going to start, as we do with all our simple syrups, with a cup of sugar and a cup of heated water. It's easier if it's preheated, and so we'll just put a cup of that in there. There we go. Then we're going to stir that up until all that sugar dissolves. So that's what the heated water is for, is so that that sugar will dissolve quickly. So basically you're just making a simple sugar water mixture, and that's all any simple syrup is a sugar and water mixture with some other flavor in it, which gives it its distinct taste. So in this case, we're going to be using thyme. And I happen to have right here a little bit of fresh thyme. You could use other herbs. You could do rosemary. You could do all kinds of things. But we're going to be using this in another mixed drink in a different video. And what you want is about 5, if I can get these to pop off here, about 5 or 6 sprigs of thyme. You can get those at the grocery store or you can make them yourselves. And for the thyme, the same as you would do with mint leaves, you don't want to crush it all up because it already has a natural flavor there, but you do want to waken that flavor up. And the best way to do that, believe it or not, is to smack them. And what that does is wakens up those little oils right at the edge of the leaves and helps it so that it's going to come out into our simple syrup. So what you want to do is to stir that in there till it's well stirred in there. And after that, you'll want to transfer it into some sort of container that is going to be used later on and that you can keep in the fridge. Simple syrups will keep in your fridge for about a week, sometimes 2 weeks, depending on what's in them. And so you'll just transfer it. I like to use olive oil containers because they're great for pouring later. So we'll just pour some of that in there, and then I'll take a few of those sprigs to stuff in there. It'll be really pretty after we get done with it. So we'll just stick a few of those down in there so that later on, after it's had time to steep, and of course you'll want to leave it in there for just a little while so that it has time to warm up. Put your lid on, voila, and you've got a Thyme simple syrup. That's great for all kinds of mixed drinks and also for many kinds of foods. So there you go, Thyme simple syrup from Mayberry Spirits Distillery. Cheers!